The news, good evening. Seychelles has presented to the United Nations its first report based on the Sustainable Development Goals that the UN has set for all its member countries by 2030. The report was presented by the Minister for Finance, Trade, Investment and Economic Planning, Maurice Lusulalan. The report, called Voluntary National Review, showed activities and results of the implementation of 17 Sustainable Development Goals. The presentation was an opportunity for Seychelles to evaluate the achievements so far, as well as gaps in the implementation of the SDGs. In this report, the authorities want to put the limited resources that it has towards people in the center of development, where they want to improve the quality of education and healthcare.
Seychelles was recently given the title of having very high human development. So that speaks to the generous education we have, which caters for everyone, all groups, and it ensures that we have that lifelong learning, as well as our health system, which ensures that everyone receives free primary health care, which is an achievement in itself. And it also goes beyond primary health care, and it also provides, to some extent, based on your individual situation, you can get tertiary health care abroad. In terms of the challenges, I would say Seychelles being a high-income country, yet a small island developing state. So these two things do not speak to each other, because when you reach the high-income status, you have limited access to funds now. But yet we are still a small island, we're still developing, so we still need that financial aid in some areas. And also, being a small country, another challenge would be that we have limited human resources. We still have the same number of goals as other bigger countries, but less people to work together to achieve this.
The children of Bisnetan Pralin now have a playground with new toys. This is a donation from the Chinese embassy. It was the Minister for Family Affairs, Mitzi Larue, who reached out to the Chinese embassy to help refurbish the children's playground. The district administrator, Denis Onta, says that they will employ wardens on a full-time basis to ensure the safety of the children who will be using this facility.
The playground will be maintained entirely by local government, so we will get two staff, two playground attendants, if I can say, that will be full-time on the playground, as from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. as to safeguard, to be a safeguard for the children in the playground itself. Basically, we will need to follow the guidelines of public health. So we do have a tariff for the amount of children that they have stated that should enter the playground. So again, we will ask the cooperation of parents. So whenever the playground attendant will tell you that we have reached our limit, cooperate with us so that they can, basically, everybody will get a chance. We will set a time limit for the children to play on the playground. And after that, they have to shuffle to let another group enter the playground.
Last week, Velaidom Marimutu was appointed as the new Secretary General of the Indian Ocean Commission. During the next 4 years, he will lead the policies and agenda of the Commission. In an exclusive interview, Mr. Marimutu said that during his mandate, one of his focus points will be on unifying the organization and the people of the Indian Ocean. Mr. Velaidom, who was previously the Dean of the Académie de la Réunion, has said that he is working on a new program to promote exchanges between universities of the region. The Indian Ocean Commission was created in 1984 by Mauritius, Seychelles and Madagascar, and later joined by La Réunion and the Comoros. In March, under the presidency of the Seychelles, the United Nations became an observer of the organization. And with this, we end this news summary. Thank you for watching. Have a pleasant evening.